Hello everyone, my name is Nikolai, and I'm from the drum and bass collective Gydra. Today, I want to tell you about a plugin called Batya MK1. This plugin is designed for the simplest and fastest sidechain you've ever seen. First, we'll test it on electronic music. I deliberately chose an extreme bass and a punchy kick. Of course, with such an aggressive bass, our kick got drowned, and often to make a clean sidechain, you have to spend some time drawing envelopes. Additionally, you need to constantly monitor the phase, but with this plugin, you just need to send a signal to the sidechain. Let's listen to what we've got. The kick became clear. Now let's quickly go through the interface. Here we have a nominal oscilloscope for understanding. The turquoise color indicates the incoming signal to the plugin, that is our bass. The gray color indicates the signal from the sidechain, that is our kick. The red color indicates the output signal. Here, you can also invert the phase. Let's listen. Sometimes, it helps the kick sound better. Another feature of this plugin is that in speed mode, Batya MK1 has 0 latency. And since we're talking about modes, let's see which one is used for what. The speed mode works great on drums. I use it when I want the bass and kick to sound simultaneously without the pumping effect, but with the kick remaining clear in the mix. But if you need to drop the bass to 0, the classic mode comes to the rescue. In this mode, the strength knob works as speed. Now, let's render after the plugin. As you can see, it always works accurately and doesn't miss any peaks. Your transient will always be clear, and you don't need to worry about clicks and envelopes because they depend on the incoming sidechain signal. We have one more mode left, quality. Unlike the previous two, this is a smooth mode that helps in mixing instruments. For clarity, I will demonstrate its work on a pad and a synthesizer. Pay attention to the masking of the synth. As we hear, two instruments are now competing for our attention, but I want to highlight the synth. If you want to enhance the effect even more, there is an inconspicuous but extremely useful X2 button. It enables a mode as if you were passing the signal through two instances of Batya. This is very quick and easy, but in this mode there is a 5 millisecond delay. Now let's try it on live instruments. I'll send a whole drum loop to the sidechain. I can easily pump up the drums and they will blend perfectly with the bass. Remember how much time you spend fitting a whole drum with a bass part. Now let's see how it handles vocals. Again, the guitar tries to push the vocal out and take attention away. The readability increased, and it can be said that it's almost like magic. I wish everyone clean mixes and to close the topic of sidechaining. Goodbye, everyone.